In this video, we will be discussing calculating area. We will be focusing on decomposing composite shapes to calculate its area. By the end of this video, you will be able to calculate the area of composite shapes. So a composite figure is made up of two or more shapes. We can find the area of a composite figure by decomposing or breaking apart the figure into smaller pieces, then adding or subtracting the area of each shape. So here we have a composite shape. So we're going to break this up into smaller pieces to find the entire area. So I'm going to start with this spot right here and this spot right here because they are both 3.5 by 4. So again, to find the area, that's a rectangle. So I would take area equals base times height. So I would have area equals 3.5 multiplied by 4, and area equals 14. And it looks like my label is meters, so those spots would be 14 meters squared each. So this would be 14 meters squared, and this would be 14 meters squared because they are the same size. So now I'm going to take a look at this middle section. And again, it's a rectangle. So I'm going to use area equals base times height. And it looks like my base is 6 meters and my height is 8 meters. And 6 multiplied by 8 is 48. So I would have 48 meters squared. So this section right here would be 48 meters squared. So now that I have the three smaller pieces taken care of, I need to take care of the area of this larger rectangle down here at the bottom. Well, I know my height is 6 meters, but I don't know what my base is equal to because I don't have a number that represents this. So what I have to do is I have to take all of these pieces, so this piece here, this piece here, this piece here, this piece here, and this piece here, and add them all up together. So I'm going to take 3.5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 3.5, and when I do all of that, I get 25 meters. So now I need to figure out the area of that rectangle. So I have area equals base times height. So my area is 25 multiplied by 6. Area equals 150. And so now I have 150 meters squared. So this section right here is 150 meters squared. And now to get the total amount, I have to take my 14 plus my 48 plus my 14 plus my 150. And when I add all of that up, I get 226. So the total area of this shape is 226 meters squared.